Morning everyone, I am Kadat from Carson and we're going to explain the collaboration of HD Hyundai and Edison Chowes Offshore, a significant partnership for US shipbuilding. So, on June 22, 2025 marks a significant step towards revitalizing the US shipbuilding industry. This strategic partnership leverages the strength of both companies to construct commercial vessels within the United States. So, the joint venture is highly significant for several reasons. First, it addresses the need for bolster the U.S. shipbuilding industry, which has faced it in recent years. So second, it facilitates transfer and advance shipbuilding from South Korea to the U.S., leading to improvements in efficiency and competitiveness. Finally, the partnership is expected to create jobs and stimulate economic growth in the U.S.
Hey everyone, I Cadet Ocampo. I explain about the fundamental progress adopt the star and stripe. Maritime relevance, the new U.S. flag was soon raised on American naval ship during the Revolutionary War, and the American Navy is still its efficiency began to adopt the new flag as a symbol of our resistance against British naval power. Thank you.